Okay, now we're on part 4. We have Ethereum set up. We're going to set up 2 more windows. The next window we're going to set up is EURAUD, which I think is up top. Nope, it is right here. You right click it, go to chart window. This setting is on the 5-minute time frame. To change the time frames, you go up here, minute 5 minute. That's what we want. We're going to double click our bot again, the Hyena Assassin. We're going to go into load up the setting, which again is on our desktop. Click 5-minute, EURAUD, 5-minute, open. And then again, you want to go over to common, just make sure allow live trading is good, and then you're good to go. Okay. The next window we have is US30 mini. So we have to right click again and go to symbols. US30 is indice. Index. We go find US30 mini, go to show. Scroll down, right click, chart window. This one is on the 15-minute. So we go and click minute 15. From there, we double click Hyena Assassin again. We're going to load just before. Click the US30 mini. But this one says short only. You see in the file, US30 mini, 15-minute. It's just a time frame, and then short only for this one. So we'll open it up. For this one, we're going to go to common. We're going to change where it says long and short positions to, long and short positions to only short. So only short positions. And then go back to inputs, and you can hit OK. Cool. So that is the 3 windows that most of you have set up. I'll go over something about settings. You can control your risk by going here. It's set by default at 1%. You can change it. I wouldn't advise going above 5 or 10%. You can change it here, and then the last place you need to change your risk is where is that? Oh, never mind. We took it out. Yep. So you just change your risk from there, and you're good to go. But I would just leave it at 1%. Hit OK, and you're good to go. And as long as you have the smiley face there, smiley face here, smiley face here, whenever the right setup happens in the market, the Hyena Assassin will make a trade on your account.